that's the million-dollar question. If the body was designed to heal itself, why are so many people sick? I'd like to suggest that many are sick today through ignorance. They're not realizing the basic conditions that the body requires to heal.
Are you constantly feeling tired, bloated, or fatigued? What if the solution to all of that lies within your gut health? In today's video, Dr. Barbara O'Neill reveals the shocking gut health secrets that could help you beat IBS and chronic fatigue naturally. We'll explore how your gut impacts not just your digestion, but your energy, mood, and overall health. If you've struggled with sluggishness, bloating, or fatigue, stick with me as we dive into Dr. O'Neill's revolutionary advice to restore balance to your gut and your life. You won't want to miss this. What if the real reason you feel so sluggish is actually right inside your stomach? Many of us don't realize the profound impact that gut health can have on our daily energy levels. The gut is often referred to as the second brain, and for a good reason. It plays a crucial role in how your body processes food, absorbs nutrients, and even controls inflammation. Dr. O'Neill explains that an imbalance in your gut, whether it's poor digestion, an overgrowth of bad bacteria, or gut inflammation, can significantly drain your energy. When the digestive system is not functioning properly, your body cannot absorb nutrients effectively. Without these nutrients, especially those vital for energy production, you'll start feeling sluggish, fatigued, and generally run down. Imagine your body trying to function without its fuel, just like a car running on empty. By improving your gut health and optimizing digestion, you can increase energy levels, feel more vibrant, and reduce the overwhelming feeling of fatigue. So if you're always tired and feeling out of energy, it may be time to focus on your gut. What happens in your stomach when you feel drained, bloated, or have trouble digesting food? It may be due to a lack of stomach acid. Dr. O'Neill takes us deeper into the stomach, explaining the role of hydrochloric acid and the intrinsic factor, both of which are critical for proper digestion. Hydrochloric acid helps break down the food we eat, especially proteins, while the intrinsic factor enables your body to absorb vitamin B12. Without adequate B12 absorption, fatigue becomes inevitable. B12 plays a key role in energy production and nervous system function, so any deficiency can leave you feeling drained. Many people unknowingly have low stomach acid, a condition that hinders proper digestion and nutrient absorption. When stomach acid is too low, food doesn't break down efficiently and the body struggles to absorb the necessary nutrients. This issue can lead to malnutrition, energy depletion, and a general feeling of sluggishness. Restoring the balance of stomach acid can drastically improve nutrient absorption, boosting your energy levels. Simple dietary changes like consuming more fermented foods or considering supplements can help restore stomach acid levels and help you regain your vitality. What if the key to feeling energized and healthy is something so small yet so powerful? It's your gut bacteria. Probiotics are one of the most effective tools in improving gut health. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes that the balance of good and bad bacteria in your microbiome is essential for digestive health, immune function, and even mood regulation. A healthy balance of probiotics can help with the breakdown of food, enhance nutrient absorption, and even produce certain vitamins, including B vitamins, which are critical for energy production. Research has shown that probiotics can also help regulate your digestive system, preventing bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. When your gut is balanced, it supports your overall health, making it easier to maintain high energy levels throughout the day. On the other hand, an imbalance, often caused by a diet high in processed foods or overuse of antibiotics, can lead to a variety of issues, including chronic fatigue and IBS. By introducing more probiotics into your diet, either through fermented foods or supplements, you can restore the healthy balance of bacteria in your gut. This helps reduce bloating, boost energy, and improve your overall gut health, making it easier to feel your best every day. How can fiber change your energy levels, digestion, and even your mood? Let's dive into the benefits. Fiber is a superstar nutrient that's essential for gut health. Dr. O'Neill points out that fiber helps nourish your gut microbiome by feeding the beneficial bacteria that reside there. It aids in the breakdown of food, keeps things moving through your digestive system, and ensures that waste is properly eliminated. But here's the kicker: fiber also plays a major role in energy production. When you consume a variety of fibers, it helps create a healthy environment in the gut that supports balanced digestion. Additionally, fiber helps with blood sugar control, preventing spikes and crashes in energy that can leave you feeling sluggish. A diet rich in fiber can help balance your hormones, which can impact how energized or fatigued you feel. Dr. O'Neill recommends incorporating a variety of fibers into every meal, including fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. When you combine soluble and insoluble fiber, it creates a diverse food source for your gut bacteria, promoting healthy digestion and preventing bloating. Increasing your fiber intake not only supports digestion, but helps regulate blood sugar, prevent fatigue, and boost your energy levels by giving your gut the fuel it needs to thrive. What if your stress is not only affecting your mood, but also your digestive system? Stress can wreak havoc on your gut health. Dr. O'Neill explains that stress can reduce the production of hydrochloric acid and affect the normal functioning of the digestive system. When you're stressed, your body enters fight-or-flight mode, which redirects energy away from digestion. As a result, food doesn't break down properly, which leads to bloating, indigestion, and fatigue. Additionally, stress can cause the gut to become inflamed, contributing to conditions like IBS. Over time, chronic stress can create a cycle of poor digestion, leading to further energy depletion, chronic fatigue, and even emotional instability. To support your gut and manage stress, Dr. O'Neill suggests taking time for relaxation, such as practicing yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Reducing stress helps restore balance to your digestive system, leading to better digestion and more energy. Want to take charge of your gut health and restore balance to your body? Here's how you can do it naturally. Dr. O'Neill offers several simple strategies to improve gut health. First, she recommends starting your day with a glass of warm water with lemon to help flush out toxins and kickstart digestion. Next, incorporating more fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, or kefir can introduce beneficial bacteria to your gut. If you're struggling with digestive issues, you can also try bone broth, which supports the healing of the gut lining. Another key piece is hydration. Proper hydration supports the movement of food through the digestive system and helps reduce constipation. Dr. O'Neill suggests drinking plenty of water throughout the day and avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol, which can disrupt digestion. By incorporating these natural remedies into your routine, you can restore balance to your digestive system and improve both gut health and energy levels. It's simple, effective, and can make a huge difference in how you feel. Ever heard of the pyloric sphincter? This small part of your body could be a game changer for your digestion. The pyloric sphincter is a valve that controls the flow of food from the stomach to the small intestine. Dr. O'Neill explains that if the pyloric sphincter doesn't function properly, it can cause food to linger in the stomach longer than it should. This can lead to poor digestion, bloating, and discomfort. To avoid straining the pyloric sphincter, Dr. O'Neill suggests giving your body enough time to digest each meal before eating again. This allows the digestive system to fully process the food and absorb the nutrients, reducing bloating and discomfort. By giving your stomach time to digest before eating again, you can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and prevent sluggishness, ultimately supporting your energy levels. Could your liver be the key to unlocking better digestion and more energy? Dr. O'Neill explains that bile, produced by the liver, is essential for digesting fats. A healthy liver ensures that your body can process fats properly, preventing fat from accumulating in the liver or intestines, which could contribute to fatigue. Supporting your liver with liver-friendly foods like beets, garlic, and leafy greens can make a significant difference in how you feel. A sluggish liver can lead to fat accumulation, poor digestion, and low energy. That's why Dr. O'Neill emphasizes the importance of keeping your liver in top shape by incorporating detoxifying foods, maintaining a balanced diet. By nurturing your liver and ensuring bile production is optimal, you can improve digestion, boost energy, and feel revitalized throughout the day. So, are you ready to take charge of your gut health and restore your energy levels? Dr. O'Neill's revolutionary gut health tips can help you beat chronic fatigue, IBS, and other gut-related issues naturally. By focusing on proper digestion, restoring your gut balance, and supporting your liver and stomach acid, you can improve not just your gut health, but your overall well-being. Take a moment to reflect on your own gut health. Start implementing some of these strategies today and watch your energy levels soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful health tips. Let's start the journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. Watch our next video on healing a leaky gut and boosting your immunity naturally.